Hi friends! So we're back with another mystery package opening video. Last time I said there was going to be women's and there wasn't. I do believe there is women's in these packages. So we're going to go ahead and take a look and see what is going to be hitting our resale racks here shortly. So very carefully, I'm going to open this one first. Let's see what we have. Always exciting. So again, we like to source creatively. So that means from a lot of different sources. And let's see that so far. Kind of looks fun. Okay, so I'm thinking looking like a dress, lots of wrinkles, lots of ruffles. It is new at tags, a Hello Molly, cute little dress, light blue. This is going to be a great spring piece once we get it steamed out and on our closet, so be on the lookout for that one. Really fun. We like getting new at tags pieces. So let's see what's in this guy. Okay, looks like some denim. Okay, so looks like we have a denim jacket. Nice wash on this one, definitely vintage-esque. Women's. Looks like it's a size medium. So that's a nice little piece. A little bit more on the lightweight side, so this would be a good layering piece going into spring. And you can't go wrong with a classic denim jacket by Levi's. Let's see what else is in the box here. Got a pair of jeans. Love this wash, and they are rag and bone, size 25. We all know how much those go for. Love this wash, and the fun little frayed detail down there. There's the rag and bone hit there on the back pocket. So yeah, nice fun denim piece there. And looks like we have a couple other maybe knit pieces. So super small red tee. We never know what we're gonna get in these surprise boxes. And then another new with tag Treasure and Bond top. That is a Nordstrom brand. Size small, looks like a little kind of gray knit cow neck. New at tag, so that's always nice to have as well. So just a quick peek at some new items. Thanks for stopping by. Next time we have a mystery box, we will definitely invite you along for the journey and see what we have. All the pieces should be added to our store here soon. And yeah, definitely keep track of us on Instagram at Rebjorn with a J Style. That's where we let you guys know what's coming in when we're doing live sales. So check us out there. Link should be in the bio. And yeah, I can't wait to see this dress all steamed and looking pretty. All right, thank you all. We'll see you later. Bye.